Hey guys, and welcome back to the 5th episode in this Vadoo AI playlist series. In today's video, we're going to briefly cover the Vadoo AI API and what you can achieve using it. And the fun part is we're actually going to use another excellent tool called SheetXAI, which has Vadoo's API integrated within its platform. So essentially, you can go through all these options here that will customize what your video will look like. And then you'll add in your own formula here with what you want the video to be about. And it's as simple as clicking enter, and then the video will process in this Google Sheet. And then when it's done, it will give you a link that will take you to the Vadoo AI platform with your video generated. This is a video I just created in SheetXAI. It's about a toaster with a TV. I'll show you a few seconds quickly.
What if your toaster could binge watch shows? Meet the white toaster with a TV screen right on its front. Imagine popping in bread while catching your favorite series. But wait, this isn't just any toaster. It predicts your breakfast mood based on the weather outside. Rainy day? It'll suggest cozy vibes with a
So pretty cool, right? And here are the documents for setting up the API, which allows different software applications to communicate with each other. And on the left-hand side, you've got all the guides on how you can create AI videos, character images, AI clips, podcasts, and there's a few videos that will give you a tutorial on how to do this. So there's a lot going on here. If I'm honest, I'm not an API expert, but for those API gurus, I'm sure you have everything that you need here. And as far as I'm aware, using SheetXAI, you can only create AI stories right now, which in my previous videos I have covered. What's good about Vadoo AI is across all the subscription plans, you will have access to the API section, which is really nice because other tools, you would actually have to pay additional for this or even go on their higher subscription packages. So to start off with, you need your API key, and it's as simple as grabbing it here. You can also regenerate one. You can connect with Zapier, so there's a simple integration if you just click there, which allows you to connect to all your other apps. So you can automate different workflows. You could perhaps automate your scheduling to various platforms. There's just unlimited possibilities. And then you do have a webhook URL, which will send real-time data to another system when certain events happen. So for instance, if a video finished processing, you could have it so the system immediately gets notified and can maybe send an email to users or update a database. So once again, quite a lot of possibilities here. So when you have your API key, you need to go to extensions, SheetXAI, and open the chat. This always needs to be open for this to work. So once it's opened on the right here, you'll go to settings and you simply go over to video gen, click on that. It will say the recommended models. They have 4 providers: Gemini, Felt AI, Vadoo, and Jog AI, which is really cool. You'll just go to Vadoo, put in your API key that we just got from the Vadoo AI platform, and now you have all these options for creating your videos. So let's go through the options. The first one we have is voice generation. So it says here the default is Charlie, and they have all the ones that are on the platform, and a lot of them are 11 labs. Now you can't preview them, but if you go back to the Vadoo AI dashboard and you go to AI story, you can preview the voices here, and then you can come back and you'll know which one to choose. So I'm going to go with Onyx because that is a voice that I like, and then you can choose the video caption, which is optional. Let's go with Hormozy 3 because he has some very engaging captions, and then you can choose from all the image styles. They don't have a custom one. Let's go with 3D model. That's always a nice one. You can choose the video language. Default is English. Then you can choose the video duration, which is optional. It can go all the way up to 10 minutes and as low as 30 to 60 seconds. Let's do that for this demonstration. Now you can add the aspect ratio, so you have the usuals 9:16, 1:1 and 16:9. Let's go with 9:16, and here you've got Vadoo modify script, and what that'll do is whatever prompt you put in, the AI will make it a lot more detailed. So I'm going to actually put yes for that. Then you have the caption size. Now it goes all the way up to 80. I'm going to put it as 30 because I'd rather it be a little bit smaller, and you can always edit that and make it bigger. You can also choose the caption positioning. Let's go with, say, 40. And you can even add in a Vadoo blog URL, which basically uses URL input for blog to video conversion feature. So if you add this in, it will look at that blog post and it will try and create a video using the blog post context. Next up, you can add some background music, which they have a few on Vadoo AI. Some of them are well known. Let's go with none for this. You can even choose the volume, so you don't want it too loud if you have a narrator. And you can add custom instructions, which will help guide the AI with visuals, background styles. So that's really cool, they have that as well. When you're done, you just go to save settings and it will tell you the settings summary. So we'll be looking at obviously the video setting here. That's the one we are focusing on. Then you just go to save. Okay, so now we're ready to create our videos, and I'm going to do 3 examples. You can just keep adding row by row, and every time you add in the formula, it will connect with Vadoo AI and it will process all the settings that you have added for your video generation. So to start creating a formula that will generate a video that aligns with our settings, you just go into any row, put in equals, SAI, and this is the command that SheetXAI uses, so you can prompt. So we go to that, and to then start, we'll put in a double apostrophe, then you'll put in an exclamation mark, then in capitals you type video. Now all you need to do is add in your prompt. So I've added in here a water bottle that goes on a journey to find its way back into the ocean so it can replenish its water. Then you just add in a double apostrophe and a closing bracket and press enter. Now it will say loading, and now it says video processing. It says keep this sheet and chatbot open, which we're going to do. And now in the background on the Vadoo AI website, it's going to be creating this video, which is really cool. And then of course we can come in and do another video. So now back on the settings, we'll mix it up a little bit. We'll go for voice. We'll choose shimmer, female soft, adult spoken. We'll choose, let's go with Carl for the caption theme. For the image model style, let's go with photographic, default as English. Let's choose 60 to 90 seconds. We'll go horizontal, and this time we won't modify with AI for the script. And we do want a voiceover. Caption size, let's go 25. It's better if it's smaller. If I do caption positioning, leave it as it is. We're not going to use the Vadoo blog URL. We'll try that in the last video. Background music, let's go with Fallen. I have no idea what that sounds like, and we'll leave that as 10. And for the custom instructions, I've added in a calm landscape. Background, it's a sunny day. Go to save settings and confirm. Okay, so what I've added here is a man and his dog are going for a walk. They are walking along the cliff having fun. Let's click enter, and once again that video will be processing in the background. So this is the video that we created previously, and it was about the water bottle going on a journey. Let's take a look.
This isn't just a water bottle. It's on a mission. Lost in a bustling city, it slips from hands and rolls away. Drifting through puddles, it sees dirty streets and thirsty plants, but it's determined. Flashback. It once felt the ocean's endless rhythm. Now it battles trash, storms, and strangers who want to toss it away. Against all odds, it rides a river, cascading waterfalls, and finally meets the vast blue ocean. As it dives in, it fills with pure, life-giving water. A quick twist, the bottle's break means more plastic in the sea. But hope glimmers, humans start picking up trash nearby.
So really cool video overall, although on this image the hand is detached from the arm, which is quite funny, but you can regenerate that image and edit them, and overall it's captured what I wanted really well. And then the twist about the recycling, and you can come in here and edit all these other options, and you can go to edit video, and we'll be touching base on that later down the line. And we're just going to create one more video. And for this one, we'll choose Patrick, who's American, male, middle-aged, and shouty. So that'd be interesting. We'll choose Iman as the theme. We'll go for something different. We'll go for anime. Leave it as English. We'll do 30 to 60 seconds, and we'll do a square this time. We will modify the script with AI for better output. Leave the caption sizes as they are, and I've added in this blog post URL, which is on Vadoo AI Review, which is on my website, sasltdreviews.com. If you want to check that out and you don't want to watch videos of reviews, you can take a look here, and I've repurposed them all into blog posts. I'm not going to have any background music, and I'm not going to add in any custom instructions. Go to settings and once again confirm. So I've just added in an all-in-one AI productivity tool that can do pretty much everything. And I'll just delete that little symbol there and we'll press enter. Now I'm unsure if it will use the blog URL, so it'd be interesting to see what we get from that. Okay guys, so the last video about a man walking his dog along the cliff was generated, and it only did 5 seconds, and I think I know why that is. Because you're not supposed to refresh the page or anything like that, or close the chat bot. But what I did is I refreshed the page because I was looking to generate the next video and it froze. And what I did was I just closed the page down, opened it back up. But essentially what that did was it didn't generate the whole video. So that's why it's 5 seconds. I didn't allow the process to be finished, so there was a disconnect. And SheetXAI actually started working about after 3 or 4 minutes. So I'm hoping for this last video it will generate at least 30-second video. Okay, so here's the third and final video. Let's open it up and see what we get here. And it's given us a 50-second video, which is great because we did 30 to 60 seconds. Let's check it out.
What if I told you you could ditch all your pricey AI subscriptions? Meet Collaba AI, an all-in-one powerhouse. Imagine creating stunning images from just a text prompt, then transforming those images with a click. Need video? Generate short clips in seconds. Want voiceovers? Choose from natural accents and emotions powered by 11 Labs. Plus, chat with cutting-edge AI models like GPT 4.1 and Claude Opus 4, your own AI assistant, tailored by you. Track your credits easily, share your creations, or keep them private. The best part? Lifetime access with no monthly fee.
Okay guys, I can't express how super impressed I am. It's taken in that blog post, it's even got the name right of the tool and spelled it correctly. It's captured each scene with the right text and the images, and even better, you see Claude Opus and GPT 4.1 in the back. And yeah, overall really good. Look at that 60-day money back guarantee. And I'm very impressed with that. And also it's got most of the images in anime, so that's really cool as well. And in the projects area on Vadoo, you'll see the 3 videos that I created appear here. And this is the one I did beforehand. Coming up in the next video, we're going to be looking at some of these editing features such as the styles, the captions, B-rolls, music, social. You can share, save, export, and we'll be looking at different aspect ratios. Okay, I'll see you on the next video.